Frank Rainey is with me now, Newstalk's courts correspondent, because you will have heard in the news headlines after the high-profile Nikita Hand, Conor McGregor civil case. There's been an update from the courts. It's emerged today that Nikita Hand, through her legal team, and who won that case, is seeking an injunction to stop CCTV footage that was shown during that trial being released. Frank, can you explain to us what's going on here?
Well, a few weeks ago, I don't know if you saw an article that appeared in the Sunday Independent written by Mark Tighe, and he was reporting on a social media post by a business partner of Conor McGregor's, a man called Gabriel Ernesto Rapisarda. And in this online post, he claimed CCTV footage that was shown during that high-profile lawsuit would change public opinion in relation to what happened at the hotel back in December of 2018. Now, this guy is responsible for distributing Conor McGregor's stout in Italy. We know sales of that stout here in Ireland and in the UK tanked after the jury found against him back in November. Retailers emptying their shelves of the stuff in the wake of the jury's verdict. And Mr. Rapisarda claimed online that sales in Italy are strong, and he said they would be even stronger after the CCTV footage was released this month. That prompted Nikita Hand to go back to her lawyers. They went back to the High Court. She is very concerned that this footage will be published online soon, and she is seeking a court order to prevent that from happening.
And this footage, it was shown during the civil trial, is that right?
Mm-hmm. It was, yeah. It was a key piece of evidence during the trial. It was shown to the jurors a number of times. It was harvested from cameras in the Beacon Hotel's underground car park and in the hotel's lift to the penthouse suite where Conor McGregor was found to have attacked Nikita Hand. It showed interactions between Ms. Hand, Conor McGregor, and Conor McGregor's friend, James Lawrence, whom she also sued, but was unsuccessful in relation to that. The footage was shown, as I say, several times, and the defence pointed to a portion of the compilation that showed Ms. Hand seemingly giving Conor McGregor a peck on the arm as he left the hotel. Now, this would have been after he attacked her in the penthouse suite. The defence also highlighted portions after McGregor had left the hotel of Nikita Hand displaying what was described as affectionate behaviour towards James Lawrence. She could be seen hugging and kissing him in that footage. The defence claimed that her behaviour in that footage contradicted her claims that she had been subjected to a brutal rape not long beforehand. Ms. Hand was very distressed when she was shown that footage in court. She said that she was very drunk, she was very vulnerable, she had no memory of what she was being shown in court. She said that she was suffering from delayed shock at the time, only started to remember what actually happened to her later that evening. The footage, we know, was gathered as part of a Garda investigation into Ms. Hand's complaint of rape. We know a criminal prosecution wasn't pursued by the DPP, and that's why Ms. Hand decided to instead sue Conor McGregor for damages. The footage would have been disclosed to all sides as they prepared for the case. And Nikita Hand, as I said, she's now very concerned about its potential publication. That's why she's seeking an order from the High Court to prevent that from happening. What essentially happened today, and it was a very brief hearing before Mr. Justice Alex Owens, who presided over the civil action back in November. And essentially her lawyers have sought permission to serve notice on Conor McGregor's solicitors of their intention to bring an application for this injunction. That was allowed today. It's back in court on Thursday, and the court will deal with that and other loose ends arising from the civil action then.
Frank, listen, thanks a million for explaining that to us. Frank Rainey is Newstalk's courts correspondent.